Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a transparent sticker on TikTok. So I'm going to again press the record button on my phone. Now I'm just going to record a few seconds. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to press add a sticker and press this image button. Then I'm going to select a picture and make sure the picture doesn't really blend in with the background, and press upload to remove background. Then you are just going to press OK. And that is basically it. You now would have had created your transparent sticker on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!